play in the snow. I will make snowflake with Ethan. I will play my baby sister.
With my baby sister. Good. Ethan next.
Go, Ethan.
Ethan, go. Don't be shy of the wonderful audience.
I am going to play in the snow and I will make a snowman. After that, I am going to watch TV.
Good.
Good.
Natasha.
Oh. Yeah.
Hi, come on, Natasha. Natasha, over here.
Can I sit right here?
Trevor, don't be weird.
Go.
Can I sit right here? There is no school and
I can see your face.
if there is no school and there is snow, I would stay inside the house. I will set the fire. I will have hot chocolate.
Good. David. You're weird.
Hello. I am Dan. I will be reading.
Hurry up.
If there was snow and no school, I would play in the snow. I'll make a snowman. I would also make snow angels. Then I will get hot chocolate from the kitchen. Then I will go outside and play tag in the snow.
Good.
Did I ever do that to you?
Davin's flow is nice. Also, and then he used the word also and then. Go.
The snow day. If there was no school and it was snowing, I would go outside and play in the snow. I would make snowballs. I would also make a snow angel. After I'm done, I would make myself hot chocolate. I would enjoy that snowy day.
Good.
Do something?
Trevor, what would you do, Trevor, if it was snowing? What would you do?
I would, if it was snowing and I couldn't go outside, but if I could go outside and there was no school, I would make
I would.
I would make a snowman and play with my friends, and we would play snow tag. I would try to make snow angels.
No one said they were going to slide down the slopes in the snow.
I would slide down the slopes in the snow.